In today's video, I will be showing you how to download Plant vs Zombies literally on any laptop or PC for free. So let's not waste any time and get to today's video. So what you want to do for the first step is you want to go ahead and open your web browser. Once you open your Once you open up your browser, you want to go ahead and type out BlueStacks. And then once you type out BlueStacks, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the first link. Now once you click on the first link, it will simply take you over to this website. Now what you want to do is you want to download BlueStacks, and to do that you want to go ahead and click on the BlueStack just here. Once you do that, it will download, and you want to go ahead and click on search bar, and this will basically be Google's Play Store. You want to go ahead and search Plant vs Zombies. Here you can see you can download Plant vs Zombies 1, Plant vs Zombies 2 and Plants vs Zombies 3. So you can download, then you want to go ahead and click on Plant vs Zombies, and it is that simple. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and also subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks. I will find you in the next video. Peace.